Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pinterest, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Pinterest, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.pinterest.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the Pinterest homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page. Here, you can choose to log in using your email and password or through social media accounts. If you prefer to use email, enter your email address in the first field. Next, type in your password in the second field. If you want Pinterest to remember your login details, check the box labeled "Keep me signed in." After entering your information, click. If you have forgotten your password, click on the "Forgot Your Password" link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. If you chose to log in with a social media account, click the respective icon. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login through your social media account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Pinterest homepage. Here, you can start exploring or pinning your favorite content. If you encounter any issues during the login process, ensure your internet connection is stable. Check that you are entering the correct email and password. If you're still having trouble, use the help option at the bottom of the page for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.